Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning Surah Nisa and number 48 and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الله Hamza is very sharp for kasra give e sound attached. Noon will get sifa of kunna. In and fatha is very short attached with lafz jalala. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. No, by default it is long. No, ha is short. La, two counts long. Yeah is soft for fatha on jaws attached with the ghain. Ghain will be heavy and it will get rakawa. The sound should flow. Fi for kasra give e sound and give hums here. Fi oru ra is heavy for dhamma circle lip. Ay. This is idgham with gunna to keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ay yush for dhamma circle lips. Yeah, it's very soft letter. For dhamma circle lips attached with sheen. Sheen will get support for a and it has the fashi. Yush. Ra is heavy. Ka short. B for kasra give he sound. Who he B he two comes long. Wa for wow circle lips for top on jaws. Yeah, very soft letter for top on jaws and attached with line. Line will be heavy and it has raw. Yo fi for kasra give e sound. Oru ra is heavy for the circle lips. The sound is short. Ma two comes long. Do for the circle lips and make it two counts long. Na short. The two counts long. Li for kasra give e sound. Ka kaf is light. Fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Li for kasra give e sound. May idgham with gunna. The sound should be in your nose for a longer time. Li may. Yeah is very soft sound. For fatha open jaw. Sha four counts long. And when you find Hamza and there is mud letter before it and we are giving waqf, listen to these conditions. Number one, there is Hamza and before Hamza there is mud letter and we are giving waqf on this situation. So when this combination comes, we give nabar and nabar is a jump of sound. So we are giving nabar here on Hamza because we are giving waqf here. Yasha. It's just like hiccup. It's just like something has choked your throat because the sound gets abruptly stopped. Yasha. For wow circulated. So fatha open jaws, the sound is very short. May idgham with gun. May yush. For dhamma, yeah is very soft. For dhamma circular lips attached sheen. Sheen will get rakawa and tafashi. Yush. Seek. For kasra give e sound attached with kaf. Kaf will get hums. Reek. Reek. Re and then there's kaf. Reek. Wheel. Don't drop this e sound. Bila. Lafz jalala will be light because there is kasra before. Bila. And it is long by default. He for kasra give e sound. Fa give hams for fatha upon jaws. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws. And for heavy qaf, you are lifting last part of your tongue towards your palate. Qa, dif for kasra give e sound attached with fa. Fa will get hums. Dif and raqawa. Dif ta is very sharp, no flow of sound. Ra 4 counts long because this is mad munfasil jaiz. Tara if for kasra give e sound. Give a raqawa on ta. If man ruling is ifhar but sifa is tawassut. Man, ayn from your throat. Read, voice heavy, make it 2 counts long. Mad, so make it 2 counts long. Inna Allah la yaghfiru an yushraka bihi wa yaghfiru ma duna dhalika liman yasha wa man yushrik billahi فقد افترى إثما عظيما. Alam, Hamza is very sharp for top on jaws. There is no flow of sound. Alam, for top on jaws attached with meme will get above the wasut. Ta, very sharp sound. Ra is heavy. E for constructive E sound. Lal, for top on jaws attached with lam gets above the wasut. And lam fatha is very short. La dina you is very soft for dhamma circular lips. Zak, there is buzzing sound in za attached with kaf. Kaf will get zak ku. It will be 2 counts long for dhamma circular lips. Na short. Hamza is very sharp for fatha on jaws. And this ikhfa is light, so keep the tongue straight. Fu for fa, give hamsa. Sa is very short. Hum for the muscle gets attached with me, gets above the wasut. Ba is light for fatha on jaws. The sound is short. Lila, lafz jilala will be light, but there is kasra before it. Lila, who is short. You for the muscle lips. Yeah, is soft. Zek. This buzzing sound is for fatha on jaws attached with kaf. Zaki, 2 counts long. May, idgham with gunna. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. May yasha'u. Hamza is very sharp. Don't mark this Hamza into this mud. We have to bring these 2 sounds very nicely and separately. Yasha'u. Wa for wow circular lips for fatha on jaws. La 2 counts long. You'll keep very soft for the circular lips attached with wa will get sipa for and it is heavy. La is short. Mu for the circular lips. Na short. Fa give hums. T very sharp sound and make it 2 counts long. La mad. ألم تر إلى الذين يزكون أنفسهم بل الله يزكي من يشاء ولا يظلمون فتيلا. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.